Hi, I'm Radona from Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I have Jensen with me, and he is adorable. He is my cousin that I met on Relative Race. If you've watched some of my other videos, this is one of his sons. So anyway, he's adorable, but we are changing up his hair. So we're going to do like a number 4 around his sides, which is going to shorten it, but it's not going to be extremely short. I mean, to him it might feel extremely short. And then I'll show you what we're going to do up top. It'll be really fun. So yeah, you can see this number 4 obviously is shorter, but he won't feel scalped. Or maybe you will feel scalped, but well, and we're just going into springish summer, so it'll be a good cut for that. Sorry, my loud clippers, they ended up falling, and so now they're loud. I need to get them tuned up. Yep, I need to get them tuned up. But hey, they're working, so they're doing their job. That's a plus. That is a plus. Okay, so you can see I've gone up about this area, okay? And if we need to blend in more up here, we obviously will, but that's about how far I'm going up. Okay, then we're gonna cut the top. We're gonna leave, I mean, we're obviously going shorter, but we're gonna leave it like a little longer up through this area, just because he's gonna want to wear it kind of up and messy. Which I'm excited about. And we might even go shorter than this, but we're just gonna start at this length for now. Okay, I always like to come to the back. I go from the top, and then I always come around and do this back first. Okay, this way. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to come to the middle. Same thing. Does that like kind of freak you out seeing that hair drop?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit.
It's more than I thought I had.
Oh yeah, you have lots. And you'll still have plenty to style, so you'll be good.
Sounds good.
Okay. So if you can see, I'm going to going from the middle, and then I go to the right side, then I come up and go to the left side. So that middle is my guide point. Middle, then right. See, that won't even get in your way anymore. Okay, now the front. You can see I'm just point cutting into that. Okay, I think we might, I'm gonna ask him, but I think do you want it that long, or do you want it a little shorter, or do you want me to blend sides first and then see?
Yeah, let's do
that. Okay, we're gonna blend sides. When I blend, I always like to use a fine, you can see this is thin to blend. Okay, so I'm gonna bring this up, and I'm gonna bring this out from his head. Don't leave the comb too far in, or you'll make a little nick and it'll go in too far. And then you'll feel like you have to go shorter down here. So I'm going across, you can see I'm going across my comb. Some people like to go up like this. So you can do that. I feel like going across is a little bit faster. I feel like you can take more hair off at once. Yeah, we always talk about, you know, women and their hair, and so it's nice, like, guys really, a lot more guys care about their hair than you would think. Some people, you know, guys are like, just cut it off, it doesn't matter. Other people, they really do care. Okay, now, hold this out. Now we're gonna need to do a lot of texturizing because Jensen has thin, fine hair, and so it'll help it stand up more. Okay, we're gonna turn to the front and check this out, and then we'll go from there. What are you thinking as far as length?
I think that's good.
Is that about right?
Yeah.
Okay, so he's liking this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna double check, make sure this is blended. And how you do that is you come on this side, you go from this side and just take that little corner off. Other shears, there we go. Okay, so from this corner and go up. So you can see that little corner that I'm taking off, that is what is blending it. Okay, this side, same thing. I'm just coming around the front, taking that corner off so it blends well. And then most of this hair is gonna be up, going up anyway, because he's gonna wear it kind of up and messy. So as long as you just blend this part right here, you'll be good. Okay, now to texturize, turn it this way. I'm gonna come through these sides. This will just make sure it's blended nice too. Just through those blended areas. Okay, and then I'm gonna come up through here and I'm gonna go about 3. So I go 1, 2, 3 as I pull up and as I cut. What that does is it leaves little hairs in there. So these longer hairs, especially where it's just more fine, they're gonna stand up a lot easier because it has those shorter hairs in there to help it stand up. Okay, now I am gonna pull this all the way down and go even. So you can see where that's shorter there. Just blending that so it's not super long on that side. Okay, now we're gonna take the little trimmers, okay? We're gonna come by his sides here. Just bring this down a little. Just move the ear, go around the ear. And then after the ear, then I like to start in the middle of the neck. And I'm going to round this a little bit. You can do it more square if you'd like. We're just gonna round Jensen's a little bit. Okay, then I'm gonna come over here to the left and round that a little. Go up this way. Okay, same thing here, just by the ear. Go up around the ear. Oh, Okay, now all the way down here. Okay, sweet. All right, now what we're gonna do is take some paste. Just gonna add this in here. And then I love when he styles it, so I'm going to put him on the spot. Okay, I've got some stuff in it. Do you want to do it? Or do you want me to just kind of...
Yeah.
Do you want this down? I know you like this up more. Do I have enough stuff in it? Or do you want... He's just good at styling it, so I'm just going to... Do you need me to put you up more so you can see?
Pretty good.
Okay, sweet. Is that good? I can just push this down a little. Okay, you can fix it a little. Are you good?
Yeah, that's great.
Okay, so you can see it just kind of likes it up and messy. And you're so cute.
Thank you.
Thank you for letting me change your hair up.
Of course.
And I'm going to turn him around one more time. Oh, I'm going to blend that a little bit more. See, that's the thing. When you turn in certain lighting, you can see what needs to be blended or what doesn't. So that's good. I turned him that way. Oh, you look awesome. Okay, turn that way. Okay, there we go. Thank you so much. I always appreciate your support, and we'll see you next time. Bye.